Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we even get started on today's new video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified first come, first serve when I post new videos every single week. So I'm doing something a little bit out of my comfort zone. The other day I went to Ulta Beauty and I picked up this punky color 3-in-1 color despositing shampoo and conditioner. So if you want to know how it turns out, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, because the shampoo says to do it when it's wet, and so a lot of people that I watched were doing it dry, but some were doing it wet. And I have a semi-wash color in my hair. I've had it in for almost a week. I wash my hair once a week because it doesn't, my hair doesn't get oily very fast, and it just is normal. I'm used to it. I used to go a long time, even 2 weeks, but I cut it down to 1 week because my hair, when I dye my hair, the hair dye comes out so fast because of my vitiligo. So I am going to go get my hair wet, and then I will come back. I'll have a different setup. I'll be in my bathroom, and then we can start the process. So I'm kind of scared, but I'm kind of ready to see the end result of the video too. Okay, so now I'm back. My hair is wet. I didn't even wash it. I just rinsed it in my bathroom sink, and I towel dried it with the towel I used from this morning. And I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of gray hair. I need to get my roots touched up soon, but I wanted to try this. So you will need gloves, a rubber band, and the shampoo. So, and I have a towel right here. So I am going to start off with the ponytail. I know that people say not to put your hair up when it's wet because it constricts it and it can break off if you're not careful. So it's just wet. So, and as you can tell, I have gray hair all throughout my hair. It's just gross. So now I am going to put these gloves on. And they're kind of big, but I like them that way. And usually I just dump it all on there if I was shower, but I wanted to do this for a tutorial for you guys. So I have both of my gloves on. I'm ready. Open it up. This is what it looks like. And it's really hard to see the back. I think it says 10 minutes. Leave it on. But I have gray white hair, so I'm going to leave it on longer than it says. Oops. This is not coming. So I am, oh, there's a seal on it, I think, yeah. we open this? I don't know. I don't think so. It's just tape. So there is tape on it. I don't know. Someone used it, brought it back. I don't know. If they did, that's kind of gross, but I don't think that they did. And I know my friend that works at Ulta, this is where I got it. She's going to be watching this video because she wanted to know how it turns out. So I am just letting, and this is all new hair growth. Remember, my hair was not growing. That side, I am taking collagen and biotin together. I've been doing it for, oh my gosh, like, look at, oh, that is pink. And I'm just taking it. I think I got more on the, oh, I got it on my neck. I think just a little bit. I should have started out with, well, good thing I'm wearing. And this is called, I forgot to tell you guys, Pink Tabulous. I think that's what it's called. I even like looked it up to see. Oh, I gotta wait that out. So I'm just gonna do the bottom part for you guys. There we go. And, or I'll turn around. So I'm just putting it, I will turn around and do that for you. Okay. I don't even know if I go a little bit. So I'm just taking the hair up. And seeing how that is. Okay. So I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take down. See, like, I don't even know how this is going to turn out. And once I get this layer down, then I'm going to time lapse it, come back, and tell you guys how long I'm going to do it for. So, you guys don't want to be. Okay. So now I'm going to take so now I'm doing a big chunk. Just like that. Rub it in. And I'm going to see how like much faster that was. And the pink though, and I just got it all over. See how I'm patting it down? Okay. So now I'm going to you want to make sure that you are wearing old clothes, because look, like I'm getting it everywhere. You want to make sure that it's really, really in there. And I'm going all the way down to the rut. And I'm even gonna get right here. Ugh. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other side. Some more on it. So it just really, really soaks in. See, like how pink that is. Okay, so now you know how to get the hang of it. So I'm going to time lapse the rest of me doing it and then come back and tell you how many minutes I'm gonna do it for. Okay, so I pretty much covered it all. Yes, it is on my skin. I can carefully get it off, but it's turning my hair kind of purplish. color pinkish. I'm gonna leave it on for about 45 minutes because that's how long gray hair takes. Maybe a little bit longer because it is a shampoo, but I'm doing that on my own because I know what my hair does with dye. So I will be back to show you. I'm just gonna rinse it out and then come back, show you after the 45 minutes is up to an hour, and then I will show you the end result in the morning because it is almost 10 o'clock Pacific time, my time. So okay, here we go. Okay, so I waited like an hour to rinse it out, but this is how it turned out. It's more like a purplish for me because my hair is so light, and so, but you can definitely see the pink in there. I'm going to let it air dry overnight because it is 11 o'clock and it's pretty late, so I don't want to blow dry it and wake everybody up. So I will be back with the end result in the morning. Good night. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the punky colored pink tabulous shampoo. I like it, but I could have used a little bit more because when I washed it out, I decided, or I turned on the hot water a little bit because I didn't want it to be ice cold. But if you are rinsing color out, you need to wash it in cooler water so that it locks in. That's what I have learned, but I really, really like it. It's kind of like a magenta purple for me, and this is on my gray hair, and it also lightened my hair, which is totally awesome. I would totally recommend that. I would recommend this product to anyone. If you like, it says on, like, I have heard, I've researched, and you know, if you are dyeing your hair like purple, green, blue, or whatever, it fades really fast, and a lot of people said that this works very well. Now my hair is pretty still dark before I did the shampoo, the 3-in-1 punky color shampoo, but it actually took to my hair and made it like a purple. It like gave me highlights. So I really enjoy doing this. I will keep probably doing this. I might do different colors until I can go and get my hair professionally done. I am not a hairstylist by any means. I'm just doing this on my own. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm just doing it to show you guys how the end result came out. So, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. First come, first serve. And yeah, and please like this video. I totally forgot to say that. So, yeah, please like this video, and thanks for watching.